You make me feel so.
Now what's up, scrappers? In this one, just going to tear apart a scanner. Not really worth it because, as you can see, it's just air, glass, plastic, a couple of little tiny bits of steel, and a circuit board. Really not worth your hassle. But when you're doing pickups, you can't really pick what you want and leave what you want. You sort of take that. So done a tear down on a scanner. So we've got 4 bits. So we've got some cable, a little bit of steel, a motor, and some low grade boards. So low grade boards at 15p a kilo is worth 2p. The motor at 40p a kilo is worth 2p as well. Steel at 10p is worth 2p as well. Everything's worth 2p on this tear down. And then a little bit of cable. If I can grab it. £1.20, it's worth 2p as well. So all in, it's worth what, 8p in the UK. So US in America it's worth what, 8 cents. In Canada it's worth 11 cents, and in Australia it's worth 11 cents as well. So 11 cents to rip that down, or 6p if I'm in the UK. Not worth the hassle. If you can get rid of you, waste how it is, I'd just suggest chucking them as they are. Same as printers really. Right, keep scrapping guys.